I use AnyList. It's an app on my phone, and I have an AnyList shared with each person in my life. Like my husband and I have a grocery list, and then my executive assistant, we have a list, and then our director has a list, and we can add to each other's list. And then you can make notes underneath it. So when we're in a meeting, I just say, hey, add that to my AnyList. And it's with me on my phone. And it's a really nice way to kind of add things to each other's lists and avoid the email thing. I call it email thing because it's something like I barely even do. I hate emails. And a lot of our work is on Trello, which is a project management website that is really phenomenal if you're managing many little pieces of a business that need to kind of feel more cohesive. Trello's great. I know that people use Asana. And then AnyList is something that I found just for groceries, and it hooked me and I use it. And I don't think it's actually a recommended business app, but I find it to be absolutely amazing and really helpful. The other thing too that reminded me as a mom, there's two ways to clean up a house. There's you pick up the dirty socks in the living room, and then you grab the cup in the dining room, and then you throw something away in the trash, and then put the cup in the sink and put the dirty clothes down the hamper. Or you could stay in one room, clean up one room, right? Then have that room done, take a deep breath, transition into a different room. So it's like, depending on how you work, it's like, are you cleaning one room at a time? Are you doing one project at a time? Or are you bouncing from thing to thing just on what you see as you're in your computer? Is it an email? You respond to it. Oh, and then an alert popped up. So you go to your calendar, and then you go to your calendar. Oh my gosh, I have to send this email. You go back to email. And it's like you can work two different ways, but really chunking time and blocking time is the most efficient way to work, because with mindfulness, it's like if you do one thing at a time, you are more productive by doing little tasks throughout. But the little tasks happen when we're unconsciously just moving throughout our day. And I find myself relating that to how I clean the house, because sometimes I feel like I'm just like on a loop.